The Citroën DS21 is one of those cars that doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. Today on DreamsCar USA, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic French masterpieces ever built. Finished in a sleek, glossy black, the DS21 remains a symbol of elegance, innovation, and pure driving artistry. If you've ever wondered why this classic is still praised around the world, stay with me, because this car is a story, a statement, and a legend on wheels. Let's start with the design, because the DS21 was never an ordinary car. Even today, it looks futuristic. The smooth, flowing body lines, the aerodynamic shape, and the dramatic curves make it stand apart from anything else from its era. In black, the DS21 looks even more dramatic, mysterious, bold, and full of presence. The long front end, the tapered rear, and the floating roof design give a unique silhouette that still inspires modern designers. This car proves that elegance doesn't age. Now, under the hood, the DS21 came with a 2.1-liter inline-4 engine. It may not sound huge by modern standards, but paired with Citroën's advanced engineering, it delivered smooth power and a comfortable ride. The car produced around 109 horsepower, which was impressive for the 1960s. But the true magic wasn't the engine alone. It was a legendary hydropneumatic suspension system. This suspension allowed the DS21 to glide over the road like it was floating on air. Uneven roads, bumps, dips, none of it mattered. The car simply leveled itself instantly, giving passengers one of the smoothest driving experiences ever created. Many owners described it as riding on a cloud, and they weren't exaggerating. Inside the cabin, the DS21 continued its innovation. The interior was designed to be spacious, comfortable, and ahead of its time. The seats were wide and supportive, the dashboard was futuristic, and the single-spoke steering wheel became one of the car's most iconic features. The large windows and slim pillars gave great visibility and added to the airy, open feel of the interior. And in black exterior with a light tone interior, the contrast looked absolutely stunning. For many collectors today, the DS21's interior design is just as important as its mechanical brilliance. One of the standout features of the Citroën DS21 was its unique braking and steering systems. The power-assisted brakes were extremely responsive, and the car was known for its stability at high speeds. The DS series represented not just luxury, but engineering intelligence far beyond its era. This is why the DS became the favorite car of presidents, celebrities, and even filmmakers who wanted a vehicle that symbolized innovation. Now let's talk about the model years and availability. The DS21 was produced mainly between 1965 and 1972, and within that period, Citroën refined its technology and styling multiple times. You could get it in different trims, including the Palace version, which offered even more luxury details. Today, collectors from around the world search for well-preserved DS21 models, and the black color remains one of the most desirable finishes because of how well it highlights the car's shape. If you're wondering about the price, the value of a Citroën DS21 varies depending on condition, originality, mileage, and restoration quality. A fully restored DS21 in excellent condition can range from around $30,000 to more than $70,000. Rare trims or cars with historical significance can go even higher. Meanwhile, project cars can still be found at much lower prices. But restoring a DS to its original state requires expert work, especially because of its hydraulic systems. Driving a DS21 is not just driving a car, it's experiencing a piece of automotive history. It's the kind of car that makes you slow down, appreciate the craftsmanship, and enjoy the journey. And in black, it's a pure statement of style. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the legendary Citroën DS21, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more classic car features here on DreamsCar USA. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.